Assessments are essentially data collection tools. We use them to assess employees' KSAOs and to provide feedback about their performance. Recall from the previous lecture that data can come from a variety of sources. In addition to strengths and weaknesses, assessments can also help employees make their development plans. Teams can also use assessments to evaluate their strengths and weaknesses and to learn more about individual members and potentially the conflict that occurs between members. Organizational leaders can use assessments to identify the people who have managerial potential and to identify the employees who are ready to move into newly opened positions. Because assessments are often used across many HR activities, I want to spend a few minutes talking about two popular options: personality tests and assessment centers.